What's up with it, y'all? It's me and my family, and we're back with another video. Today we are doing a seafood boil. Y'all heard what she said.
Seafood boil.
So
we got our own little Popeye's chicken version up in here.
yes, we doing a Popeye's chicken sandwich as well. So we're doing it big today. Y'all already know what it is. So hang in there. I'm gonna show y'all what we're doing.
And you advertise our drinks. We got drinks.
Oh, we got drinks too. I'm gonna show y'all all of that. All of that. Hang in there. Hang in there. Now I am working on our butter sauce. I gotta finish putting in the rest of my seasoning. We gotta getting ready to turn it up in a minute as soon as I finish putting all my seasoning in there. And then over here, y'all, we got our crabs and everything in here. Shrimp, everything in there. We got our grease going for our spicy chicken sandwiches. Alright, so we just got our potatoes out. Getting ready to season it up.
What am I supposed to do with that?
What happened?
I'm thinking about deep cleaning them.
Now we have our butter sauce simmering. And our chicken frying. We getting somewhere.
No, I was seeing
That's
what
over
you
here. About to throw them scallops in the grease.
They gonna love what you see like at the end. They gonna love everything together.
Oh yeah. What's wrong with fried scallops with the Smackalicious sauce? Alright y'all, so I decided I'm gonna try something for y'all. I'm gonna try the shrimp and the potatoes. Should I put the shrimp on top of the potatoes?
Either one at a time.
One at a time, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try the shrimp first. Yeah, that right there. The deal. I'm gonna try the potato for y'all. Let me give it my hand.
Yeah, I gotta try these sauces.
They don't make no sense. They don't make no sense. So good.
You don't have to move, Mom. I'm still on. You know, I be moving back and forth.
What's up with him? It's on me.
Look at that
Like that.
That's shrimp. I mean, that's a shrimp.
Everybody
That's
on
crab
like
leg, girl.
being on camera.
We got some more crab. Come on now, Mom.
But y'all gotta buy those eating.
Tell tight. So you gonna remove me from the food?
I can't put my finger on what that sauce is like.
What happened?
Yeah, I can't put my finger on what it tastes like.
I thought y'all made it before.
You have?
You have?
Dang.
But I used all the stuff she said she used.
Huh?
I used all the stuff she said she used. The Worcestershire sauce.
There's some more. Grab this one, bro.
The
That one
sugar
bigger.
and all that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
There you go.
Brown sugar, did you put the brown sugar in there too? Yeah. It's so good.
I said, you want a bowl?
You can get some of the sauce rails.
Yeah, that's sauce bone. Ah.
Yeah, you can get a paper plate. Well,
Dancing for the camera.
hey, slide a little bit this way so I can cross my legs. Put my leg up on the leg.
I'm recording. I'm having a mukbang by myself because nobody will be on the camera. Y'all camera shy.
Hey!
I ain't camera shy.
Yeah, can you help me pop out, please?
But when I'm destroying food like this, I don't want to be seen.
Right. You're gonna be like, you was really stuck in your face.
I really am.
Hey, hey, hey.
It's like that sauce sweet, but it's like some sweet and sour sauce, but
How we gonna make it spicy, but remember you told me not to.
That's
gonna make it spicy.
Your baby is. That's on TV. On Twitter.
man, have you tried that crab leg with it? Try this.
I'm finna go ahead and eat some crab, y'all.
Hey, 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 hey.
I ain't gonna be complete if we don't play cards.
Oh yeah, we can do that now.
We got to play
We gotta
cards.
eat first.
Here, try that. That's bomb. Try that.
It's in the trash.
That's bomb. Right? Have y'all tried it with the sauce yet? The crab leg? Try that. That's bomb. I'm trying to tell y'all. It make me want to go join a boat somewhere and go get these mugs yourself. We need to get those king crabs.
Oh, yeah.
Them big bastards.
They so hard to crack though.
We'll need some scissors and everything.
As long as we let these ones soak their shell, she'll soften up a little bit.
Yeah, we do another crab boil with some king crab. I'm gonna record that for y'all too.
You might be doing that again.
Yeah.
We need to do a barbecue too. We should barbecue
Y'all
for
don't have to
Christmas.
eat on the camera on me. That's
Hey,
probably
we
y'all.
can barbecue for Thanksgiving. I put some meat on there too.
Okay, I'm about to say shit. Right, we'll barbecue for Christmas. That's out of season. Yeah. Still be
What
good.
bring that out to you? I don't care if it's snowing, raining. I'm outside.
I need to do myself together.
I need some more hot sauce. Make my sauce spicier.
One more scallops. Just one more.
Again.
I want to try one of them boiled eggs, but I do not want to be cutting it.
Them corn so fresh. What happened now?
I got a corn.
Kyla, what was that? Huh? Who?
What happened? What was that?
Oh yeah, that came right out.
What you doing?
Yes, you did.
Oh yeah, when you got me. Don't do that. Tell her don't hit it on the table. Make that table. Okay. Well, tell her she don't have to put that up. Ooh, I got a hit for that pepper. Tell her put the old out up. Because you can't be hitting on the table. We didn't even get no goulash.
Sauce?
No. I guess I'm going to put that in the freezer. Let's go with Thanksgiving.
And next week, man.
Thursday? I put that in the freezer. That's it for that. Because we got more than enough freezer.
That 5-pound bag did what it's supposed to do. I ain't think it was gonna be big enough.
Well, God is good. Thank you.
Thank you.
This corn is soft.
It is.
Have you tried the corn in the sauce?
I got everything sitting in my sauce.
None of it. Do now.
Tell Honesty if you want some mush, you better come along. Tell Honesty if you want some mush, you better come on. Cause this pan's starting to drop slowly but for surely.
Is that potato? Ain't no more paper towels over there, Keon?
No, not on the road.
Okay, man. Look on that table, bring a roll of paper towels. Put it over there. Yeah, you want no more food?
There's some more food. Huh?
That food's hot.
Is it hot or is it spicy?
You didn't give me the sauce on your food, did you?
That sauce would have cooled it down.
Was it hot or spicy?
Spicy.
Spicy.
It was already spicy to me.
Yeah. I think seafood's supposed to be spicy.
That's why. That's why it happened.
Oh, what you ask for? There's some little cups like this in the living room. As soon as you turn that corner, it's gonna be on that table.
Take it out the plastic and put it on the road. You know how to do it. Take it out the plastic first. Throw it away. That's fine.
Yeah, that is. I ain't gonna do
What?
that. Sauce.
Is it for real, y'all? They love the sauce,
Did
y'all.
they eat their food? Cause they eat their food, I always know what's up.
Tell them to break it in half.
Oh, you started it up again.
All right, y'all. We done ate. We nice and full. We finna hop on this card game. I'm about to show y'all what the table looking like.
It's a very, very top.
Lemon and lime drinks. Oh, that's some cake over there.
It's funny because I was looking like water.
And we're about to play cards. Alright, y'all, we're gonna wrap this up. The card game is over with. We done had our dessert, our drinks, and it's Sunday, so everybody gotta get ready to go back to the basics tomorrow. I'm now at home. Yes. Yes, I'm at safe.
Yay.
And baby is here and happy
Yay.
to see me. And the other baby is here. Hi. Hi. In my kiss. So yeah, now that I am at home, I am about to take me a shower and get ready for bed. Alright, y'all, I am out of the shower. I am getting ready to lay it down. I just want to thank y'all for tuning in to this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I promise y'all, I'm going to try to keep them coming for y'all. I'm going to try. All right. Stay up.
Now they need me. Number one, no screaming. No, yeah, you used to love me. So what happened? What's the meaning? I thought you want this for my life.